This is a FT-101, a Yaesu FT-101 early version, not just plain 101. Initial problem was blowing the fuse, so I had to. The problem is here with these 12 volts transistors. They were shorted, so I removed this. I didn't make a video, but I removed this and unhooked all the wires and hinge shanked them. So maybe in the future I might replace these finals. So I decided to give it a good cleaning and take it apart, oiled, clean, and all the switches and the Jackson drive. The reason I have the front cover off is because of the Jackson drive. These ones, they're hard to get the screws, especially the bottom one, because there's two shafts coming right here. So it's just not much of a problem taking this mounting plate out. Gives you access to a lot of things. I use simple green and a hose with a small painter's brush and a hair dryer to dry everything up. Same thing with the meter, clean it all up. Now the boards, I did the same thing. They came out pretty nice. This is the rectifier board. There's always a problem with these capacitors. These are the original ones. So I'll be changing those. And of course, being old, you forget where things are, so I have to sort things out. Okay, we'll continue and see how can be able to put all the parts back together and see if it works. And then no point in doing all this and finding out that the radio doesn't work, but we'll see. Catch you later.